This is a course in pattern making. It's the fourth one actually. And we're going to focus on sleeves. That's what a sleeve looks like. And you know that the tricky part when it comes to sleeves is that sometimes the sleeve does not fit into the armhole, right? You know what I'm talking about? Well, I'm going to show you how to adjust the cap. This is known as the cap. We'll get to that in a minute. I'm going to show you how to adjust the sleeve so that it will fit the armhole correctly, the armhole of the bodice that you're working on. And then we'll take this basic sloper and using techniques that we've learned in the past, like slashing and spreading, for example. We'll take this basic sloper and we'll add fullness to the cap of the sleeve, to the bottom of the sleeve. We'll do short sleeves, long sleeve, puff sleeves, bell sleeves, cuffs, and etc., etc. So it's a very exciting and fun class. And we're going to start by learning some new words, some new terminology, so that when I'm demonstrating these techniques, you'll know what I'm talking about. For example, this section right here is the cap of the sleeve, C-A-P, cap, okay? This is your bicep level, also known as your bicep circumference. We have the elbow circumference or elbow level, the wrist level, we have the underarm length, the underarm of the sleeve, and then we have the cap height between the top of the sleeve and your bicep level. That's your cap height, okay? So, I'm ready to rock and roll, are you? So I will see you in class. Ci vediamo in classe. Welcome to Fashion Premier Academy. Design your future now.